Hello, nice to meet everyone. My name is Kevin Gam, and I am currently the program director of MSc in Finance program in UCD, Michael Smurfit Graduate Business School. It's a great honor to introduce virtually our program to prospective students around the world. So today's open session agenda is as follows. First, I will provide a brief overview of the program, followed by the discussion of the course outline in academic year. And I will conclude with an overview of the career opportunities provided to our students and also alumni. Okay, first I will provide a brief overview of this program. The MSc in Finance program is designed for students pursuing careers in the global financial services industry. The graduate typically work as the bankers in commercial or investment banking, fund managers in mutual fund, hedge fund, the private equity fund, the venture capital, stock analysts in brokerage or equity research companies, and corporate finance managers in finance department in companies, and financial expert in consulting firms or public sector institutions such as central bank and financial regulators. So to support these career goals, our program furnishes students with knowledge, skills, confidence, which are necessary to succeed in the rapidly changing, evolving financial sectors. Students will develop an understanding of the range of capital markets, financial institutions, and financing instruments that facilitate corporate investment activities. Students will also learn to critically evaluate corporate financial information to make strategic investment decisions, apply statistical analysis techniques to the valuation and management of financial portfolios, assess and manage the financial risk and return across portfolios of financial securities, and integrate the ethical consideration into financial decision making. The learning environment combines both the theoretical and the practical elements. The lectures blend the theory and the real-world applications, including the case studies. Students also encouraged to engage in independent learning through diverse forms of individual assignment. Collaborative learning is also emphasized through the group presentation of data analysis and the case studies. Additionally, students have access to advanced financial databases in the dedicated data room at Smurfit. An optional internship is also integrated into the program, enhancing the overall learning experience for students. And also our program is externally accredited by the CFA Institute. Our students is also quite diverse in terms of their undergraduate majors. While many students have degrees in economics, finance, and business, we also have students with background in mathematics, statistics, natural science, engineering, and also other related fields. Okay, next I will move on to the program course outline. The MSc in Finance is a one-year program with three trimesters, autumn, spring, and summer, for the full-time students. So this program will run from the end of August to the end of August following year. We also have a number of part-time students with industry experiences. For these part-time students, the program will be completed over 2 years, typically. Okay, then I will now introduce the program in full-time mode. In the first trimester in the autumn, students will complete the core foundation module for finance topics. So 3 modules will be covered in the first half of the autumn trimester, with the remaining modules covered in the second half of the autumn trimester. In the first half, students will study capital markets and instruments, which cover the topics related to the basic investment, asset pricing, and portfolio management. Financial analysis, which include fundamental corporate finance concept, accounting topics, and financial statement analysis. Quantitative methods for finance, which introduce essential mathematical concepts, which are crucial, very important for financial studies. In the second half, students will explore derivative securities, covering option, forward, futures, and more advanced structured securities commonly used in the real financial market. Financial theory, which addresses more advanced asset pricing issues, and financial econometrics, which focuses on empirical methods, regression technique, and data analysis. So these skills are increasingly important and valuable in the field of data science these days. After finishing the autumn trimester, students will engage in more specialized and more advanced courses, including strategic finance, which integrate corporate finance theory, industrial organization economics, and the strategic management. And empirical corporate finance, which explore advanced corporate finance topics based on empirical findings. And also students will study equity asset valuations and the portfolio and risk management, which are practical advanced topics related to equity valuation, investment, asset pricing, and also portfolio management. After finishing the spring trimester, now students have 3 different pathways during the summertime, following the completion of the Ethics in Financial Services module. The first pathway allows students to take more advanced courses at Smurfit during the summer. Under this pathway, students will complete the Banking and Financial Institutions module and 2 optional advanced modules, such as financial technology, structured finance, and mergers and acquisitions. The second pathway offers students the opportunity to undertake an 8-week internship during the summer, starting in the mid-June after finishing the Banking and Financial Institution module. The internship is fully integrated into our program. Finally, students can choose to pursue a research dissertation under the supervision of the finance faculty member in Smurfit during the summertime, particularly those interested in pursuing the doctoral study after finishing the program. Okay, beyond our academic curriculum, we also offer a wide range of co-curricular activities at Smurfit throughout the year. For example, students can participate in the CFA Institute Research Challenge, which promotes the best practices in equity research through hands-on mentoring and intensive training in the company analysis and presentation skills. So in the past couple of years, UCD Smurfit teams have won the first place in Ireland multiple times, as shown in the picture. Additionally, we also offer a diverse range of global leadership program. So one of these program is the Smurfit Finance Group. So where the students have the opportunity to engage in the stock investment using stimulated funds through the platform. This is an excellent way for students to gain the real-world experiences in the equity market, portfolio management, beyond the classroom. And our students and also alumni have excellent the career opportunity, particularly in the financial services industry. In recent years, most of our graduates from this program secure jobs within 6 months of the completing the program across various sectors regarding related to financial services. So these include the stock brokerage, portfolio management, fund management, corporate finance consulting, commercial banking, investment banking, venture capital, stock trading, bond trading, and senior treasury and risk analysis and management and regulator. We also have a very strong alumni network and very active career management support teams, which serve as a very valuable resources for students in their job search. All right. So this has been the brief overview of our MSc Finance program. I hope this session contributes to your better understanding of what we offer in our program. If you have any further question, feel free to reach out to me and our team through emails. I really look forward to meeting all of you at Smurfit in the future. Thank you very much.